Good evening, guys. Tonight we are going to make a tuna sandwich. Right, so una, kailangan natin is we have this tuna chunks in brine.
Welcome back sa kusina ni Tita Ching. Kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko.
Now that they are both open, drain them. Okay, so drain it properly. Drain, take a bowl. And put the tuna. Okay, and then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add half of a medium-sized onions, red onions. I need more 1 tablespoon of, I add more another tablespoon of what do you call this, mayonnaise, to make it more spreadable. Then since I don't have a fresh dill, I'll just use my dried fresh dill. I'll put about half teaspoon. There we go. And mix again. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I use Himalayan salt here, and white pepper, ground pepper to taste. So, and then mix it again. Mix it well. I will add as well a little bit of paprika. I use the smoked paprika, and we need to mix it well. Make sure that it's well incorporate, and then we will then put in the fridge and chill it for about 30 minutes for best results. Okay, so there we go. I will just transfer it in a smaller container, with a lid on, and then put it in the fridge, where then for about 30 minutes, and then when we are ready to make our sandwich, then they're ready. So there we go, our tuna mixture. And then takpan natin, and then ilagay na natin sa fridge. Okay. Now let's make our tuna sandwich. So we will use 50-50 bread. Okay. Then we'll put a thin layer of mayonnaise sa ating bread. There we go. Take our tuna mix. Okay. So, depende na sa inyo kung gaano kadaming gusto nyong ilagay. Ayan. Ayan. So, atin nang hiwain. Okay. So, there we go. There we go, our tuna sandwich. Ayan, this is my dinner. Yum yum. Tasty and healthy. Okay, I hope you like it, guys. Bye.
Masaya ang mga tanawin, may awit ang simoy ng hangin. Hinihintas mo'y lagana, mayroong sigla ang lahat. Wala ang kalungkutan, lubos ang kasayahan. Himig ng Pasko'y umiiral.
Thank you so much for joining me in my premiere. Now let's welcome my channel members. Please do connect and support to all of them, as they are all very legit and very supportive. Thank you very much. Bye.
Watching. See you soon in my next vlog. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.
Today's video